already told you in the both of you that I will be taking some extra numericals after these concepts. After that, we will be going with the consistent and inconsistent part, like PYQs and in the I think in the Wednesday class I told you that, not in Wednesday, in like I think in the yesterday's class, that I will be like we will be doing some more numericals after this topic. Because after that we will be able to solve with both of the methods. We will be able to solve both of the methods. Either it is elimination, either it is substitution, or it is substitution. Got it? Yeah. So let's I have some more practice question here. Basically, that's why I've taken much more you can say the word problems in the class itself, so that you can you get accustomed to it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday, the last question in the class assessment, I think it's deleted portion. It was 1 minute.
Which one? Which one?
1 minute. It was 1 by 2x plus 3y plus 12 by. Wait, I'll get the question.
Just a second. Hello, Rehan. How are you?
Hi, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you? Fine?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Very good. One more student, Ajwad. Hello, Ajwad. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Are you there? Yes, Shiva, you were saying something. Yes, Rihan, have you confirmed your school syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think you didn't share the school syllabus on the official number, so that's why I didn't get it right now.
Ajwad has sent you on WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, Ajwad, okay, Rihan, Ajwad, I will look into it and then we will discuss about it as well. Hiba, are you there?
Yes, sir. The question was 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3y plus 12 by 7 into 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 by 2. It was the first equation.
Which question, Hiba, you are talking about right now?
It was the last question yesterday in the class assessment. Should I
class assessment? Okay.
Yes.
So in the class assessment, that was, I think, elimination method.
Yes, it was the
Elimination method.
Yes.
Okay, no issues, Hiba. That's not an issue. Basically, you can say the assessment has some questions, some extra questions as well. So that's why you don't need to worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If you are able to solve them, because we have we have included the deleted portion as well in these class assessments. Because after some point of time, there might be a point that CBSE adds some portion. So our class assessment topic list is completely as per the CBSE, just like before the rationalization. All the parts are there. Because in this standards, it's nothing much more important. But in 11th and 12th, the competitive exams questions can be asked from these topics. So that's why we have made this this structure in a very mannered way. So that's the thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so not an issue, Iba. That's not issue.
Okay.
How much did you score?
I think 78.
That means I think 4 out of 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Adil, how much did you score here? Have you given the test?
Yes, sir. I did the test. I got 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. Okay, that's a good score. Okay, Rehan and Ajwad are there in the class. Basically, yes. Rehan is a new student in our batch. Okay, so Rehan, basically, dear, we are doing the linear equation in 2 variables. And right now we are doing substitution method.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ajwad, you are not present in the last class. I think yesterday's class. Is everything fine?
Yes, sir. I was actually outside.
Yeah, okay. I heard that you have missed the class due to exams.
Yesterday's class.
Yes, yesterday's class. You had yesterday class as well of mathematics.
Yeah, I had class, but
Yes, yes,
in the
Ajwat?
exam, I had class. I didn't attend, but I did not have any exam.
Okay, okay. So, okay, no issues. So, let's start this question. Rihan
Yes,
and
sir.
Ajwat, I will explain basically Hiba and Adil are already know the procedure, but Hiba and Adil, right now, Rihan and Ajwat are new to the batch. Like basically this topic, Rihan is completely new, but Ajwat is our old student. So I have to explain everything. So that's why this question would take a little bit time. Okay. So because in this class, we will be doing only substitution method numericals. Because after this topic, only one part is left of the linear equation, which is graphical method, graphical representation. Okay. So that's a very short part, you can say. So we will be doing this right now. In this class, only numericals will be there. So in numericals itself, I will explain the method Ajwad and Rehan so that you will be able to apply and solve them. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Hiba Adil, Hiba and Adil, do you have any are you satisfied with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Because it's our responsibility to make some comfortable space for the new students as well. Okay. Okay. So Rihan and basically Ajwat. So in the linear equation means, I'm just giving you introduction. What is basically linear equation? Just a second. Give me 10 minutes, all of you. Okay. So basically linear equation, like in the polynomials, I told you that degree. Rihan and Ajwat, Rihan, do you know degree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So basically degree is the highest power of the variable in polynomial. It defines whether it is quadratic, biquadratic, cubic polynomial or linear polynomial. Yes or no?
Yes.
So,
Yeah. In the same thing, in linear equation means the highest power of the variable will be. Can anybody tell me? Rihan and Ajwad.
sorry, sir.
I'm saying that in the linear equation, the highest power of the variable will be.
Uh,
Will be
Three.
1. No, 1. Linear means the power will be 1. Linear means the power will be 1. Quadratic means the power will be 2. Cubic means the power will be 3. But at this point of time, we are solving linear equations. The power will be 1. But we are taking two variables. So both the power of the variables will be 1. As you can see that x plus y equals to 6. It's a linear equation. And both the powers of this equation is 1. Variable is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like whenever you see these kind of question, you always think that this is a linear equation in 2 variable. It can be in 3 variable as well. But at this point of time, and this standard, you're going to learn in 2 variables only. And for 2 variables, you need 2 equations to solve the 2 variables, basically to get the value of 2 variables. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Ajwad, Rihan, have you got this introduction
Yes,
of this
sir.
part of this chapter?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And basically we have at this point of we have 2 methods to solve the solve the equations. First one is algebraic, second one is graphical. But at this point of time, we are graphical, we haven't done yet. So in the next class, we will be doing graphical, but at this point of time, we have done with the elimination method. Second is substitution method. Cross multiplication has been deleted from the CBSE portion. So that's why we won't be doing it. Got it? So in this, let's at this point of time, we are doing substitution. So let's do substitution. We will be covering the elimination in some part of the class. At this point of time, as all the students are there, I'm continuing with the substitution part. So substitute means something is replacing which is equal to something. Suppose that I am a maths teacher right now in front of you, which I am teaching right now. Yes or no? Rehan,
Yes,
Najwal,
sir.
Adil, Hiba.
Yes, sir.
So if I have to replace, if now suppose that I fall ill, it can be. So because of my illness, some management has arranged any of the teacher from our faculty group to teach my batch, right? So will the teacher will be of physics or of mathematics or of chemistry?
Maths.
Maths, obviously, because math is the subject. Basically, I am a mathematics teacher. The teacher who will replace me will be of mathematics as well,
Yes, sir.
because that's the perfect match, na? And if you are going to replace me with a chemistry teacher, is it possible?
No, sir.
No, na? Ajbad Rehan, have you got this point?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is called as substitution. The value should be at this point of time, the value which is we are replacing right now will be equal to the another variable. Okay, so I'm explaining this question. After that, you will be able to understand what it is basically. Let me check. So yes, all of you, dear, Adil, Rehan, and Ajwat, is it possible to switch on your camera? Because right now we have the feature in the Zoom that I can only see your video. Nobody, like, you can't see the video of each other. I will be only seeing your video. So is it possible, dear, all of you? Ahiba, I got your point that you have some, so no issues about it.
So I can't turn it on now because
Oh.
I'm not completely well.
Okay, Adil, okay. Rehan and Ajwat, is it possible, or dear? I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah, sir.
forcing you.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Just
So that
give me a
we,
minute.
because I know Adil has Adil and me already have some interaction before this class as well. So Rehan and Ajwat, Rehan is basically switching on the camera. Ajwat, is it possible, dear? Ajwat, are you there? Ajwat has some internet issue. Okay, so okay, that's great, Jan. Yeah. So all of you, let's start with this question. I think Ajwat has some internet issue. That's why he's not able to hear me. Iba and Adil, okay, no issues dear, all of you. So let's start this question. So the question is saying that the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Now, now tell me like one by one, what are supplementary angles basically?
Sum of two angles is 180.
Okay, Hiba, got your answer. Rehan, do you have any idea here?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Adil?
Yes, so when two angles is equal to 180, it's called supplementary angle.
Okay, I got your answer, Adil. Okay, let me, I will tell you after this. Ajwat, are you there? I think Ajwat has some internet issue. So basically, when the sum of two angles is equals to 180, then it's called a supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. When the angle x and y, suppose angle x plus angle y is equals to 180, then it is called as supplementary angle. And when the angles are 90, can anybody tell me what it is called?
Complementary angle.
Very good, complementary angle. So this is called supplementary. So the question is saying that we are dealing with the supplementary angle question. So let's x and y be the pair of supplementary angle? Now there is a catch in this question. I hope you all will get it.
Let x be the larger angle and y be the smaller one.
No, that's not a catch. You can assume like x can be smaller and y can be greater. So it's up to you. Answer is not going to change about it. So the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Now tell me, Rihan, Hiba, Adil, Ajwat. Now tell me which one should I assume the greater, x or y? It's up to you. Now tell me.
X.
Majority x. Okay. Adil, x. Okay, x. So the question is saying that the larger of two supplementary angles, which means that it is saying comparing x and y are two angles and x1 is x is greater than y. So how much it is exceeding by the smaller?
18 degree.
18. So should I add the 18 to x or y? So it is saying that exceeds the smaller by 18. So which thing should I do?
Why, sir?
Should we add to the y, Rihan? Is this your answer, dear?
Yes.
Okay, Rihan, I got your answer. Hiba?
Y? I don't know,
Be
sir.
sure about it.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, you are not
Okay.
okay. Confirm certain. Adil,
Sir, why?
why? Yes, it's y. Basically, Hiba and like Hiba, I told you in the previous class that if you are taking x as greater, so if we have to make it equal to the smaller, we should add something to it, na? Like in the previous example, I told you that y should be equals to 3x. In the previous way, is it? Yes. So x is equals to 3y because we have taken x is greater. And if after multiplying it y with y, 3 is getting multiplied with y. That's why after that it will become equals to x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now. So that's the same thing in the question. The question is saying that if x is greater, so you can add 18 to y or minus 18 to x. Like if you take this 18, it will be x minus 18 equals to y. Yes or no?
Yes,
Because
sir.
x is greater, and if we have to make it equal, either we have to subtract from x or add them to y. Rihan, Ajwad, Hiba, Adil, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything which is not clear till now?
No, sir, it's clear.
No,
Very
sir.
good. So this is our equation 1. Now tell me where is the equation 2? That's the catch in the question.
Sir, sir, can you explain the first equation again?
Okay. The question is saying that the larger of two supplementary angles, suppose we have assumed that x and y be the pair of supplementary angles, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's saying that the larger angle is exceeding the smaller by 18 degrees, which means that the larger is greater by 18 degrees. The larger is greater than smaller angle by 18 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Who is there? My laptop is not having a camera. I cannot. Okay, Ajbat, no issues. Okay, I got it. That you like your camera has no laptop has no camera, so no issues. Okay. So yes, is this clear to all of you? Hiba, is this clear? Which I'm
Yes,
telling
sir.
you right now. If we have assumed that x is greater, so we have to add 18 to y to become x should be equal.
180.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rihan.
Sir, I think it's 18 plus y equals to 180.
18 plus y equals to 180. Second equation.
Yeah.
Okay. I will let you know whether you are correct or not. Give me a moment. Just let me finish it. After that, I will. Okay. I will give you one more time. Okay. So is this clear, Hiba, which I'm telling you right now? Hiba, Rihan, Adil, Faiz, Ajwad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
No,
Sure,
sir.
Hiba? Adil,
Yes, sir.
Ajwad, and Rihan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, where is the second equation of this question? Basically. That's a catch in the question. It's already there in the question. You just have to be very focused about it. Rehan is saying that y plus 18 equals to 180. Is that the thing? Yes, Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rehan.
18 plus y equals to 180.
18 plus y equals to 180. Okay, Rehan, got it here. Hiba, any answer from your side? Are there any answer from your side, dear?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. Ajmal, any answer from your side regarding the second equation?
X plus y is equal to 180.
Be sure about it. What are you saying? Either you like let it be wrong, but be confident while giving answer. Don't be very
Yeah, it's X plus y is equal to 180.
So basically, we have got two answers. That basically we have
But I would say x minus
received
y
the.
is equals to 180.
Okay, we have get the three responses. X minus 3 is equals to 180. One is y plus 18 is equals to 180. So this is the Rehan answer. This is the Ajwar and this is the Hiba. So this one is correct. Hiba, you are correct. The question is saying the supplementary angle. I've given you here hint. X plus y is equals to 180 degree. Now you can directly see there isn't anything after this portion. The larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18. Find them. Is there anything after that?
No, sir.
No, no. Rehan, Hiba, Adil, Ajwad. And Adil,
No, sir.
sorry, Ajwad, you are saying x minus y equals to 180. X minus y equals to 180. How is it possible? Dear, supplementary angles. Na? If we add them, then it becomes 180. We don't subtract them. Got it? Rehan, Ajwal, Adil,
Yes,
and
sir.
Hiba. Is this all clear
Yes,
to all
sir.
of you? Why we are
Sir.
taking x plus y equals to 180 degree?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is our equation 2. And can I write this equation as x minus y equals to 18, just shifting y on the right hand side, the left hand side?
Yes, sir.
Is it anything which I've done like unique?
No.
No, no?
No, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me, and no need to do is this. We are using the substitution. I thought we are doing elimination. We are using the
Elimination, yes.
substitution. So it is fine. If it is fine. So substitution means now tell me, can I write y plus 18 in place of x? Because this is x also, this is x also. They have the same,
Yes, sir.
they are same variable. Yes or no, Rehan, Adil, Hiba, Ajwal?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is there
sir.
anything which I'm doing unique, like apart from mathematics?
No.
No,
Mathematics
sir.
is saying that if something are equal, you can place it on that place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Mathematics
Yes, sir.
is all about the
Yes, sir.
playing. You can play mathematics. So substituting equation 1 in equation 2. So we can write y plus 18 degree equals to, so not equals to, plus
Plus
y
is
equals
equal
to
to
180 degree. So now tell me, we have two families. One is variable family, another is constant family. So what will we do? We take one family here and
18 plus 2y.
2y plus 18. So what we need to do after this? We have to get together the families. Basically, we have y family here. So only constant is there. So we will shift the constant on the right hand side for the same
2y.
kind of. Yes or no? Is
sir.
this step clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Is equal to 180.
2y is equals to 172.
Y is equal to 81.
Sir,
So
what
it
about
would
x?
be,
172.
yes,
Sorry,
Rehan.
162.
Sir, what about x?
What about x? I will let you know, dear. Just give me a moment. Let's solve this, and then you will, like without explaining, like without me explaining, you will get the point by what we are doing and how will you get the value of x. Just give me a moment. Is this clear till you to all of you till now?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Any doubt, Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Rehan, is there any doubt in these
No, sir.
steps?
No, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 162. So y will be equal to 162 divided by 2, which is 81 degree. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. So we
Yes,
got
sir.
the value of
So
x
Rehan, we have
81.
got the value of y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
were
sir.
saying that what we like, where is x? So now Rehan, tell me, if I place this y in here, here, in place of y, if I put this value here, can I get the value of x?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, na? So that's why, that's the thing. So x is
X
equals
is
to
equal to
basically what?
99.
Plus 18 degree, which is x is equals to 81 degree plus 18 degree,
18.
which is 99 degree.
99.
Now add all the angles. If you basically 99 plus 100 and 180, 180, which means that we have done the calculations correctly. And one more thing, it is 18 greater. So now tell me, x is 18 greater than y or not? Yes or no? If you subtract 18, you will get the 81. Now tell me, all of you, is this substitution method to clear to all of you? Yes or no? Be honest.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't
Yes, sir.
want any
Yes, sir.
reply
It's
that
clear.
which is not, in which you are not clear or doubtful. I want be honest reply that you are clear with this concept. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, Hiba,
Yes,
got
sir,
your
it's
answer.
clear.
Adil, got your answer. Rihan,
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Ajwar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So that is called substitution. Substitution means we are replacing one variable with another variable. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give me a moment. Are you all of you writing right now?
Yes, sir.
Let me know when you are done with the example. Till then, I should take another question. Hiba, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Why we are taking y x plus y, x is equals to y plus 18?
Yes, sir. Because X is the greater angle, so we are
Yeah, in the question, we
simplified.
can assume any of the angle which is greater. We can assume
Yeah.
either we can assume the x or y. It's up to us.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I scroll or should I wait for a minute? Okay, let's write it down. Okay, I would like to give one more suggestion. When I explain the question, try to do one thing first. Try to write down the steps, the solve part on your own without looking at the screen. Like, it is a suggestion, it's up to you whether you like or not, but it's a suggestion as a teacher. First, try to not look at the screen while writing, while solving my solved question. Try to solve it on your own on the same spot. Whenever you get stuck, just after that, look at the screen. Then it would basically help you to understand the steps, why we are doing that. Is this all clear, which I'm telling you right now?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now, I'm not
Yes.
restricting it that you should do this. I'm just, you can say like, it's a suggestion that if you are comfortable with that, do that thing. Try to do that in 3 to 4 class. Now, after that, you will see the result on your own. Now, you will, after seeing the question, you will be able to visualize the question on your own without even my giving hints. Okay, so should I scroll it?
Yes,
Next
sir.
question.
Yes,
Okay, very
sir.
good. Just give me a moment. Rehan, is this clear, dear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
I know it's a first class for you, but I like this concept is very much similar in the next question as well. If all of you give you 2 minutes to solve this, at least make the linear equation. Will you be able to solve it, or make the linear equation? I'm just requesting. At least make
Yes,
the
sir.
linear equation on your own. I'm giving you 2 minutes. After that, we will be doing it together, solving together. Rehan, at least try. If not, I am there. I will explain everything. I know
Sir,
it's your first class.
7x 7x plus 6y
7x plus
equals
6x
to
plus
3800. Second
Okay.
equation, 3x plus 5y equals to 1750.
Very good. Now you have got the answer in the question itself. You don't have to use your pen as well.
Yeah.
Very good. Try to solve it. If you are able to substitute, try to do that one more step ahead. All of you. Like if I'm writing it down, I've just basically asked you to try it, because mathematics is the thing which is very, like, when you practice more and more, your skills get polished. Okay. Any response from your side? Any of you had like get the answer?
Still doing so.
Okay, doing. Okay, let's look at this screen. Let's do it together. Like, we have to do some more questions, so let's do it together. I will give you some. I will give you some homework question as well. Try to do that on your own and share the PDF to me on the same number from which you have received the link. Okay. Okay. So first, let X be the value, the price of Lex. Let X and Y be the cost of bat and ball respectively. Why I'm using respectively word? Because I'm following the order. I'm saying that follow the order, sequence. Okay. So first equation is saying that 7x plus 6y is equals to 3800. Yes or no?
Yes.
Another equation is saying that what is the value of bat? Sorry, how much? 3. 3x plus 5y is equals to 1750 rupees. So now tell me, let's take this. You can use any of the equations to substitute. It's up to us, and you can use any of the variable. I'm not saying that you can only use to substitute x. You can use y as well. It's up to you. Answer won't get changed. Okay. I'm taking the second equation. This is second, and this is first. So I'm taking second. 3x is equals to 1750 minus 5y, and x will be equals to 1750 minus 5y by 3. This is our equation third. Now what we do, substitute equation 3 in Equation 1. Now, at this point of time, what we have done is clear to all of you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything which is not clear to you to tell me?
Sir, I got Y.
You got Y, very good. Let me check, let me solve it, then we will confirm whether you have done correctly or not.
Yes, sir.
All of you, have you got the answer? Like till now, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now put the value in first equation. 7 into 715, 1750 minus 5y by 3 plus 6y is equals to 3800. Yes or no? Now this is basically what we need to do. We need to have the LCM.
Yes,
3
sir.
is taken as LCM. See, this term will be as it is. Minus 5y plus 18y. Is this clear why I'm writing 18 here instead of 6? Because we have taken LCM. Is this clear to all of you? Is this step clear to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Do you is there anybody who don't know how to take LCM? If please be honest, I'm not here to judge you. I'm just asking. If it's point, so I will explain it. Don't get shy about it. Is there anyone who don't know how to take LCM?
Sir, I got the answer. Like six
Ajwat,
times.
what are you saying, dear?
I got the answer.
You got the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, Ajwat. Let's solve it together. Then we will confirm whether you have done the correctly or not. If your answer is correct, which means that you have done correct. If not, we will be doing these steps as well. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you can say as 7 in 750 minus 7 will be multiplied by 5y. It would be 35y plus 18y divided by 3, which is equals to 3800. Now you would do basically this division will get multiplied in 3800. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
750 minus 17y will be left. Yes or no? 30.
Yes, sir.
If we subtract 18, 17 will be left. Is equals to 3800 into 3. Okay. So what we need to do, we just have to multiply 705, 7 is 49, 49 and 3, 52, 2, 5 is there. Minus 17y is equals to, this is what? 0, 0, 4, 2, 11. Is this clear to all of you? So
Yes, sir.
minus 17y is equals to, or you can do one thing, shift the y on the right hand side and take the 11,400 on the right hand side, left hand side, sorry. 12,250 minus 11,400 equals to 17y. Okay, is this clear all of you? Now
Yes,
sir.
subtract, how much is there? 12,250 and 900. How much
850.
is? So it is 600 and 250. Yes, 850. It is equals to 17 of y. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything which is not clear? So y will be 850 by
By
17.
17 is equal to 50.
Yes,
50.
50.
50.
So which means that basically the value of the cost of ball is 50 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Rehan, if we got the value of y, can I substitute this value in this? You can use any of the equation, 1, 2 or 3. You can use any of the equation. If you put it, you will get the same result. No need to worry about in which equation should I put it. It's up to you. It's your choice. And you can substitute any of the variable to, okay. It's not restricted that you can use only x or you can use only y. Got it, everybody? Is that clear
Yes,
to
sir.
all of you? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, very good. Jan, are you completely getting my point? Because I know that's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, very good, dear. So let's put this value in any of the equation. Let's put this value in third equation. substituting y is equals to 50 in equation 3. So what is the equation? X is equals to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. Is that the same equation, dude? Yes, it's the
Yes.
same equation. Equals to 1750 minus, just a second, yes, minus 5 into 50 divided by 3,
53.
which is 1750 minus 1500, not, is this 50, 25, 250. It is 250 divided by
250 by
3.
3.
So it would be 1500 divided by 3, which is
3 is equal to 500.
500.
500.
Sorry. Sorry. So basically the value, the cost of bat is 500 rupees. So you will write in the answer as the value, the cost
Of
of
ball is
bat, let's say bat is 500 and cost of ball is 50 rupees. Now what you can do is, if you have to basically verify that you have found the value correctly, you can do one thing. You can put x and y in any of the equation. If they are getting equal, which means that you have done the steps correctly. I'm just telling you a verification step. It's not compulsory. If you are confident that you have got the correct answer, then it's fine. And if you are not, you can use this basically this trick, or you can say the method, solution and approach to verify that your answer is correct or not. Is this clear to all of you?
yes, sir.
Do I
Yes,
need
sir.
to show the verification part?
No, sir.
How to verify? Yes, all of you, tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So it's up to you. If you are confident now. So sometimes happens that in the exams we are not confident about our answers. So what you can do, one thing, put the values into the equation in any of the equation. If the value is x, LHS and RHS are equal, it means that you have done the questions correctly.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Rehan, is this clear to all? Is this all the steps are clear to you, dear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any doubt? Ajwad?
No.
I know,
No,
yeah, Ajwad, you also, this the like this tab. I think you have missed the elimination part as well.
No, sir, I did it.
Have you like completed the elimination part with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ajwad. So no issues that if you are done with the elimination. So yeah. So let's take the last question of this class. Okay. That's a very popular question in the school exams. I've like after this class, I will be sending you some PYQs of CBSE, so that attempt them. I mean, practice them, so that you get accustomed to the CBSE questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Adil, is that were these kind of questions were there in the school exams?
Yes, sir.
So basically, Adil, we have done the same kind of question, I think, in the elimination part. Similar kind of
Yes, sir.
questions, I think.
Yes,
I
sir.
know that a little bit practice. I mean, before exams, you need a little bit practice, but you fell ill, which basically some like lose of confidence is also there. I know, because of some like your health is not good, so no need to worry about it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Be completely well, get well soon as well, and take medicines on time. And after that, go ahead with the full power for the preparation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's great. So, my batch is gonna give it a try at least. Yes or no? Yes or no? I'm not
Yes,
getting
sir.
any response.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Give
sir.
a try to what, sir?
Give it a try to like for this question.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm giving you 2 minutes again. It's okay. Then tell me. At least try to make the equation. If not, I will be solving from scratch. No need to worry about it. That's the most popular question in the CBSE boards for the linear equation in terms of word problems. Rehan dear, are you
Yes.
solving it?
Yes, sir.
I'm
I had
fine.
this question in my midterms.
Okay, I told you that this is the most popular question. Like somewhat like similar questions will be there. I'm not saying that exactly, but somewhat similar kind of questions. Try to solve it, or at least give it a try to make the equation.
Sir, I got the linear equations.
Okay, Hiba, tell me. Just a second.
Uh,
After.
Sir, I also got.
Yes, Ajwad, just a moment. Let me write all the responses on the screen. Then after that, we'll be solving so that we can verify which one is correct. Yes, Hiba, tell me, dear.
5 years hence will be x minus 3y is equal to 10.
So before 5 years, you were saying
Yeah.
x minus 3y is equals to 10.
10.
Okay.
And 5 years ago, it will be x minus 7y is equal to minus 30.
Minus
Minus 30.
13 or 30?
30.
30. Okay. Yes, Ajwad, you were
Yes.
saying something, dear.
I also got the same, sir. X minus a was equal to.
You have got the same. You have got the same thing.
X minus and x minus.
Okay. Okay. I'm not. I don't know what is the equation. I will be solving in front of you. Now we will be confirming that whether you have done it wrong or right.
Sir, I got the first equation x plus 5 equals to 3.
X plus 5 equals to
3.
3.
And second one, I'm a bit confused, but I think it's x minus 5 equals to 7.
X minus
5 equals to 7.
5 is equals to 7.
Yeah.
Is this your equation, second one, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, I'm not saying that which one is correct. I will solve in front of you. Okay. I haven't memorized anything. I am a solver and I will be solving in front of you. And let's look which one is correct and which one is not. Maybe let's solve it first. I won't be able to tell it right now, but I will solve it in front of you. Now tell me, first question is saying simply, I told you that break the question into smaller parts. Okay. Whenever you see the word problem, break them into different parts, 1 line, 2 line, and 3 line, and extract the information from it. It's my fundamental. Okay. So his question is saying that 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be, hence means it's talking about future. As you can see, will be means it's talking about future. So you can think that it's saying the future thing. So we have to add something. Right now, present is X, and we have to add something to it, which will basically saying it, we will adding in the future. Obviously, if we add something, we will go in the future, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will be 3 times that of his son. Let's take this. Let X be the
It's be the age of Jacob
age of Jacob.
and Y be the age of his son.
Let Y be the age, present age, present age. It is present age. So write down the present word as well. Be the of son, of his son. Okay. So first thing is saying, so X is our, now at this point of time, we are taking the first step. First step is saying 5 years hence, which means that if I add x plus
plus
y,
5.
5 equals to,
Is
it
equal
is saying
to
that
3y plus 5.
3, it is saying that, yes, Adil, you are right. It is saying that 3 times that of his son. If we multiply the 3 times after 5 years, basically 5, we have to add 5 as well, because after 5 years, son will also grew older by 5.
Yes, sir.
All of you,
Yes, sir.
yes, clear or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it is saying that if we multiply it by 3, the age of son, then it will be equal to the age of Jacob. Is this clear, Hiba, Adil, and Ajbad, and Rihan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this step?
No,
sir.
sir.
No. So I'm writing it 3 here because it's saying 3 times. So let's basically solve this, simplify this. X plus 5 is equals to 3y plus 15.
15.
So it would be equals to x minus 3y is equals to 10. So this is our first. So Hiba, you got your first equation correct.
Yes.
Okay. So next thing is, it is saying that 5 years ago. So let's take this next thing.
X minus
X minus
X minus 5.
5
It
is
is saying
equal
that
to
the age of
7.
sun will be like basically if you multiply the age of sun by 7, then it will be equal to Jacob's age. So why sun will also be like
minus 5.
younger than 7 years and into 7. Is this clear to you? Yes or no?
Sir, it's minus 5.
Sir, minus
Y
5.
minus 5.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Sorry, my bad. It's minus 5. So x minus 5 equals to 7y minus 35.
Minus 35.
So x minus of 7y is equals to minus of 30. Hiba, you got your second answer correct. Like second equation. So, okay. So, Rehan, no need to worry about it. Okay. Rehan, are you there?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
no need to worry about it. Sometimes because it's a first class and at least we have given a try at least to find out the equation. That's a very good sign that you are learning very fast. It's a very good thing. Okay. So no need to be panic right now that why I'm not getting the answer, like equation. No need to. When you will practice a little bit, you will get the equation as well, and even you will get the answer. Like in the previous question, you have got the answer correct. So no need to worry about it. Any one of you, at least you need a little bit practice. After that, you will be able to solve all the questions. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what we can do is, I'm basically using second equation for this substitution part. Okay, substituting equation 3 in equation 1. Got it? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Response, all of you.
Sir, I got the answers.
Yeah, very good, Riba. Let me solve it, then we will confirm whether you have done it right or not.
Sir, I also
Okay.
got the answer.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, Ajwad. Very good. So 7y minus of 30 minus of 3y is equals to 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 7y minus 3y, 4y will be left and 30 will get positive on the right hand side. Basically, it's 4y equals to 40. So y is equals to 10.
10.
So the current age of Jacob's son is 10 years.
10.
Very good. Very good. So now we can put the value in equation third.
Yes, sir.
Substitute. Y
X equals to
equals
40,
to
sir.
47. Okay. In
40, 40.
40. Okay. Okay. In equation 3. So x will be
40.
7 into 10 minus of 30, which is 70 minus 30, which is 40.
40.
So x is 40, y is 10. Now tell me how many of you got the answer correct? Be honest.
I got sir.
I got the
got
right
it correct,
answer, sir.
Rehan got the right answer. Hiba got the right answer. Ajwad,
No, sir, I said I got good answer.
Okay, okay, Ajwad, okay, very good. Adil, are you there, dear?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the answer, dear?
No, sir, I'm doing.
Okay, no issues, Adil, no issues. Be comfortable. I know that you are not well. Be comfortable. No need to be panicked. Okay, we are not here
Okay,
to
sir.
like we are here to learn. Okay, when there is a time to compete, you will like all of you will compete against each other. But at this point of time, we all are learning. So don't need to be panicked. It's a learning phase right now. Whenever there is an assessment, there is your test competition time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, all of you, dear Rihan, Hiba, and Ajwad and Adil, all of you, there is a class assessment after this class of substitution method. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rihan, you will get the credentials, dear, right now after
Sir,
this.
there
Like,
is test.
yes, class assessment, Adil.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, of the substitution method. Okay. So, Rihan, basically,
Okay.
class assessment is nothing but after whatever you have learned in the class is basically asked in the class assessment with a 5-question test. There is a MCQ test. Basically, it is you have to mark the correct one. After that, you will get the report whether you have done how many of you got correct or get wrong. Okay. So you just have to download either you can give the test on the mobile app using on Play Store, like download the app from the Play Store or on the web app. It's up to you. So basically, you will get the credentials. I hope you must have received the credential already. If not, you will get the credentials shortly in just a minute. Okay. Anyone of you, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, just a second. Give me a moment. No, don't leave the class.